firstborn son of a Firstborn Son Home Services, coming to you from beautiful Langley, British Columbia, at a Eufy install that we completed the other day. We just came back and put some cozies on these cameras. What fantastic cameras these Eufy Pro 2K cameras are. You can see the camera is red. It's detecting motion as we speak, or did, and the homeowner knows that I'm here now. Fantastic cameras these are. Will catch anyone approaching the side of his home with these Eufy 2K Pro cameras. And at the front door, we've got a Eufy battery wired 2K doorbell. It's been catching every motion coming onto this gentleman's property. What a great little doorbell.